Прекрасно ми е што сум македонец и што сум жив, мишан во светот, што можам да одам и да зборувам за маките на мојата древна татковина, да одам, да зборувам и да му кажувам на светот дека сме биле делени, пределувани, парчени, распарчувани, клани, драни, печени, варени.
Isolated villager, independent innovator, Cosmic Clark, Roma, Mediterranean coma, Hellenic vampire, Vulcan conspiracy conspire, Ottoman yoke, choking empire, favoritism, taxes, battle axes, Christian says and crosses, innocent losses, alien occupation, breaking the nation system, paid for through wisdom, Macedonian sufferer, no chance of reprising, Western powers too busy, colonizing, modernizing, racism, penetrating, new world, dishonest ownership, trickery, bitter evil, establishment, stabbing men, feathered den, feather now, lethal, legal, Pelargonian eagle.
И многу први ќе бидат последни. И многу последни ќе бидат први.
Ambush devils like unnamed rebels, fighting for existence, enlisted, destined to be tested. Census Muslim outcasts, praying of defenseless peasants outclassed like chariots, Phanarians from Constantinople. Hopeless but hopeful with a hope call. Napoleon defeated Russia discussing a land's conviction with Britain. Business first, human rights second, future consequence Armageddon. Eastern question, 1826 tragedy, strategy to segregate, superpowers interrogate, separate, integrate, assimilate, a fight of unified Balkan state. Imperialist creating hate, linguistic confusion, perilous urgency, emergency, the first state to emergencies, wicked breeze, manufactured lease, protected by Britain, this state was Greece, with a German king circling within, beginning of construction and falsified history and lineage, leaning on his chip and shoulder, Peloponnese soldier, mixed ethnicities, forced Hellenism, created by foreigners, Spanish, Stefano agreement revised, realize a sentence of independence for most guys, but the Holy Land of Macedonia, handed back to the Turks, a curse, and future confrontation beckoned to be worse. Self-determination, end of 19th century, meant to be the end of me. Many enemies ascending, pretending to listen support for Orthodox laws. Religious wars occurred, October 23rd, words were heard. 1893 committee committing themselves, Gruev, Dimitrov, Asov, Tatarchev. Some to be free, seeking autonomy from Turkish oppression, learning the lesson, ideological battles against Bulgaria, the purpose, intellectual terrorists, violent armed propaganda campaign. They demand with the same eternal Macedonian revolutionary organization. Poor willing men killing them, 1903, Illinden massacre, massive scars, got to deal with resistance, double systems, for superpowers, foreign investors, European gestures, lest we forget the past, but I can't let it pass, forget the needed Bucharest Treaty, 1930, partition of an ancient land, belongs to ancient man, making plans, artificial borders, orders, forced assimilation or expulsion, denationalization of Macedonia from their ancestral land, and manifested scams, contest, long dressed, invest, incest, pushing public cultural mess. Occupied by others in our motherland, needed brothers' hand, movement suppressed to prove they're the best. Population exchange, 1 million Greeks from Asia Minor settled in Hague, Macedonia. Cyrillic inscriptions destroyed on churches, tombstones and icons. Am I wrong? That's the truth in the song. Place names were Hellenized, hell on earth, Hellenized, evil guys terrorized. Goodbye to reason, claiming ethnic rights was high treason. In the Greek state, I defeat fake fascist dictators. General Metaxas reigning terror, claiming an error. More injustice from 1913 to 1940. Then 500 years of Turkish glory. Varda, Pirin and Aegean, peace to pagan Macedonia, Macedonia for the Macedonians. Serbs try to manipulate our language. Bulgars try to eat our historical sandwich. But we know who we are and we know where we stand. Cut off our hands, rape and plunder. We'll take the thunder. Disappear, reappear stronger than ever. Feathers in the wind, read their letters of sin. Scholars and historians try to force the Victorians to change the Slav instead of Macedonian ethnicity. Hungry to bring the simplicity, taken from enemy sources. While I protest, they're missing me and my call for peace. You see, Greece is one country, Macedonia is another. Two separate people, but still we are brothers. You can listen to the lies or look into my eyes, which blink at the brink of perpetual light.
Македонскиот народ има само една татковина – Македонија.